Okay, so I was so impatient last night, so didn't even have chance to put my camera on, and went and did some sparkles. Couldn't resist sparkles in this time of COVID. So what I'm gonna work on now, I hope you can see there is like a difference in the thickness of application from application from this body. There is a sharp corner of paper that I want to soften and hide, and that's where my own issues of not planning through come as a little obstacles. But if you different person and can logically see the idea what you're going to do and composition before you start doing your artwork, you will avoid those issues. Anyway, I have to fix those uneven thicknesses of application. So I'm gonna take matte heavy medium gel, which is also from my golden mediums. I love my golden mediums. I know they're more expensive, but I just love the way they feel, the way they behave on a canvas, or in this case on a wood board. So what I'm planning to do is to fill up this gap, and I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna what I'm gonna do about this particular, do I like this line or not. But at this point I'm gonna mix some color of that I use underneath here, which is in this case I had some silky patina French country vintage. This is actually colors that usually applied for furniture, but we are in a mixed media after all, right? So we're mixing not only objects, we're mixing textures, we're mixing all kind of things to make life interesting and diverse. So what I would do, you see, I just mixed color with very, very thick gel application, and at this point I will just take a little bit of it and just go and build the surface, and you can see that it's a different color than I already did, but I'm not worried about it because I'm gonna blend it in. And so it's okay. I've got like some whites underneath, but remember not to be afraid. This is the last thing that we want to feel. We want to feel calm and peaceful and not to be stressed out what's turning. It's just an artwork, just something that helps you. You are not doing it for the sake of artwork. You are doing it for the sake of your own state of mind. It brings you to relaxation, or at least it's supposed to bring you to relaxation. So, and meditative state. So you should not be scared. That's not controlling you. You actually, nothing controls you, and you cannot control anything as well. Going with the flow is the goal here. Okay, so should I just thinking, should I build up this part? I kind of like this line. But just don't like this line and that line. So maybe I will do what I will do. I would build, I can actually, you know what? I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go just like that. And I'm gonna make even more. You see this thin line? I'm getting rid of it. Opa. Actually, I would like to make it more pronounced. Not from here, but more pronounced. So I took more of my patina and mix more with this heavy gel. And there you go. I'm building. So you see, it's kind of, it's actually, I just noticed that it's very interesting effect of like 3D, almost like making a sculpture. And I'm thinking that maybe it's something to be incorporated. But at this point, my major idea is to bring this color, bronze color, like, because it's too stark and I want it softer. So I just gonna wipe. And I have bright metallic paint by Deco Art. Okay, yes. So I'm mixing right here. You see, I put my brush inside and decontaminate it. the main color. So don't do this, guys. Learn from my mistakes. Okay. And I will see what color, if I can do a little bit softer color, like I don't like this area much. What I want to see, if I mix this bronze, or whatever they call it, bright metallic paint, okay? If I mix that if I mix that with a tiny bit of white, so I'm trying to make it softer.